Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day.
I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Open the door. Open the door. May you be happy. May you be happy. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning. I drink water every morning. I drink water every morning. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Sit down here. Sit down here. May you succeed in life. May you succeed in life. How cold the weather is. How cold the weather is. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? Clean your room. Clean your room. May you live long. May you live long. What a nice day. What a nice day. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Do you play football? Do you play football? Wash your hands. Wash your hands. May God bless you. May God bless you. How fast he runs. How fast he runs.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.